30. Beyond the birth certificate. 2 days later, on Wednesday, 26 July 2017, I went to the Department of Home Affairs in Oudtshoorn and applied for the vault copy of my birth certificate, my original birth registration that would reveal my mother's identity. Ironically, despite my eagerness to uncover the truth, my inquiry would ultimately lead to a dead end. To this day, I have never received a response from the Department of Home Affairs, nor have I obtained my original birth certificate. The silence was deafening, the delay infuriating. As I awaited a response that never came, I found myself drawn to another significant task: gently letting go of my mom's possessions, which I had lovingly kept since her passing 6 years earlier. With a sense of reverence and gratitude, I began to sort through her belongings, tenderly releasing each item from my care. This poignant process, though bittersweet, brought me a deep sense of peace and closure, allowing me to honor her memory while embracing my own journey. Meanwhile, my desire for emotional healing led me to explore alternative therapies. On 17 August, I made an appointment with Isak for trauma release exercise, TRE. TRE is a holistic approach that helps release tension and trauma stored in the body by triggering gentle neurogenic tremors, promoting self-regulation, relaxation, and enhanced well-being. My entire body became unshackled, and I experienced a tremendous release of stored energy. As my inner world began to shift, my subconscious mind started to reveal hidden truths. 2 nights later, I dreamt that I was taking photos of a bright white full moon. Since I rarely have coherent dreams, I knew I had to pay attention when I do. These dreams are always significant. According to dream interpreters, seeing a bright full moon signifies receiving amazing news in the near future, a promise of hope and positive change. Additionally, dreaming of a camera, especially taking pictures, indicates the subconscious longing to express itself more freely, seeking authenticity and self-expression. Photography, in this context, represents the truest form of art, capturing people's authentic selves. In tandem with these inner transformations, I stumbled upon womb sounds online and found solace in their gentle rhythms. Playing them each night, I fell asleep to their soothing melody. Yet, in the shadows, a subtle yet seismic shift was underway, setting the stage for a revelation that would shatter the status quo, forever reconfiguring the contours of my existence.